Here we go.
Birds, oh my god.
We are about to chase a ton of birds at Myrtle Beach. So excited.
Wait, don't do it yet.
Don't.
That's what she said. There's Jake and Susan.
Don't chase them right away. I want to see this.
The birds out here. We just got engaged. This is Jordan Ashland.
Hey.
Alright, and
There's so many
we're gonna go take some birds. Ready?
Wait,
Hold on.
Whoa. We got a little ways. Right.
Dude.
Oh my god, look at this.
There's thousands.
I don't think you can see.
Not really.
Oh my god.
Hang on, though. Hang on.
Oh my god.
I don't think I've ever seen
I've
birds.
never seen
All right, hang on.
it like this. I don't want to chase them.
Listen. Listen to him.
You can kind of see.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I can see him really good.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I think we should start over there and make our way down.
All right, yeah, let's flank them.
We're gonna flank.
Oh my god.
Should be.
There's our hotel. Tons of hotels on the strip here.
Alright, if you can't see it now, you're about to see it. There's people over there about to get shit on. Ready? Are you guys ready?
1, 2, 3, go! Yeah! This is awesome! There's more over here! Ah, they're coming back! Ah, they're coming back! God. Ridiculous. Yeah. I'm still going. You can barely see them.
Yeah, mine was dark. I don't know if you can see it.
Look, it looks like the ice, like they're all floating. I didn't know seagulls could float. Let's do it again. So ridiculous. Awesome.